In this session, we are going to cover this white vitiligo patch with the actual exact skin tone. The process is going to start now. As you can see, we are trying to match it with the exact skin tone. And the person is a little fair skin tone person, so we are making it up with the exact skin tone of him. So during this process, there is a lot of the durations. It might be looks a little reddish, but it's completely normal. Once got healed, it all will look perfectly fine. No need to worry at all. So the process has been started and it's going smoothly. And we are trying to cover the whole place of white patch with the exact skin tone. Many of them used to ask during this process, will this cause any severe infections in the back? No, it's completely safer side. If your melanin is okay and healthy to accept this, then you are going to get an exact output. If it's not, then there is a chances it might look dull. That's it. We can't tell that it's going to be give any infections. Due to this process, you are not going to get any infections. It's just a permanent makeup, so you don't need to worry about it. Many times when we do this process, people used to ask us, this is looking little darker. The reason behind it's looking darker is we do with the exact skin tone. Due to the bleeding as well as the swelling, sometimes there is a chances of it will be looks little darker, but the darkness once got healed, it will get lighter. Starting itself, if I make a exact skin tone, once got healed, it will become more lighter and your white patch will start to visible more clearly. That's the main purpose of it. We don't use the exact skin tone, we'll be go ahead with the one tone darker than that, so that once got healed, it will be looks more beautiful. So the process happening beautifully. As you can see, there's a small reddishness, but it will be goes off and it will become normal. Stay tuned.